Is it good? Maybe I should zoom out. Maybe I should make it a little bit higher. Oh, it's better. How's this? How's this? How's this? The lighting good? Is everything good? I don't know. I'm away for most of this summer. So hello, internet friends. Welcome back to my channel. Where the fuck is my phone? Oh. Okay, I found it. So today we're going to be doing a Ken Burns makeup tutorial because that was requested by a lovely subscriber and just happy to share the wealth. So I wasn't exactly sure how I was going to pull this off, but Ken Burns is a real person. I've always looked at that video effect and been like, why is it called Ken Burns? Well, it turns out there was an American filmmaker named Kenneth Loren Burns, and known for his style using archival footage in photographs and documentary films. So the Ken Burns effect is when you like zoom in or zoom out on a specific spot, real fast or slow. And you know what? Thank the Lord, Ken Burns is a real person. So this is him. That's Ken Burns. And today we're gonna be recreating that look. We're gonna be recreating Ken Burns. I don't have all my makeup and supplies with me, but I did bring enough. I think I have enough to do this for you. Let's get started. Ooh, I'm gonna need some makeup brushes. Fuck my life. I'm not looking forward to the day when my neighbors realize what a fucking piece of shit I am. What a fucking piece of shit I am. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, so put on some foundation, put on some lotion or primer if you want, but like, it's really up to you. Are you going for a high quality look? Then why the fuck are you watching my channel? Why the fuck did you come here? Oh, honestly, this kind of matches my skin tone now. I use this one because it's too dark. Because I used to fake tan a lot. And then I don't know. Anyways, so I use this one. But honestly, I think it actually matches for once in my life. And this is back in the day when NARS used to be cruelty free. The good old days. But now they're sold in China. So, fuck my life. Ooh, honestly, that actually matches. That's a first. Because this didn't even match when I had a fake tan. I don't know how I thought that looked good. No one ever said anything to me. No one was like, Literal Cream, what's going on with your skin? None of it matches. It's all a different shade. Just let me live my life. Okay, I think I'm gonna put on a little more. I'm really trying to recreate Mr. Kenneth Loren Burns. You know, there's those people out there that were really good at contouring their face to look like Beyonce or Jay-Z, Elvis Presley. I can do all that shit. Well, I'm not one of them. I am not one of them. There, that's better. That's like a real full coverage that we've got going on. Okay, Mr. Ken Burns. He's got like some light eyes. His eyes are pretty light under there. So I guess we could put on some concealer. Oh, baby. Okay. So he's got like, I don't know if it is concealer. Maybe he's going to a press event and he's wearing makeup. But he's definitely got some like lightness going on around the eyes. That looks pretty good. And then he's got like a little bit on the cheek. You're starting to see? Can you see it now? A little bit of shine up there. And on the nose, of course. Ooh, he highlights that nose. Is that a highlight or is that Coke? Probably both. Ken Burns. Almost. Okay. And then his cheeks are kind of pink. Maybe I should use like I keep having to get up. Ooh, I'm getting my workout in. That's good because I'm slacking off this morning. He's got very rosy cheeks. Very rosy cheeks, Mr. Ken Burns. Add that to your skin. And I guess now we should contour our face. So we gotta make it look like a man. Okay. Okay. And his nose is like, he's got a distinct nose. Okay. You got some cheekbones. You know what? One time I learned how to do wrinkles, but that really didn't come out good either, so we'll work on that. He's an aged man. He's got some aging going on. Where the fuck are my other brushes? Oh boy. Oh boy. There we go. That's what I like. Okay. Fuck my life. So blend that out. Blend it out. Oh, I didn't do the jawline. I gotta make myself look like a man, but a distinct man. Ken Burns man. Contour that, keep contouring. I see where this is going. Everything is going to be okay. Everything is going to be okay. Ken Burns? My friend wants to FaceTime me. No, this is not a good time. Okay, so now he's got some wrinkles. That looks good. Let's draw on some wrinkles. Yeah, this would probably work better with an eyeshadow. If you have an eyeshadow, like a dark brown maybe, you can just find the creases and kind of dab it over. That'll work, but I don't really have one. You don't really, this is gonna come out great, okay? I know what I'm doing. I'm an Instagram makeup artist. You can trust me. You can trust me. No, I didn't get my cosmetology license, but I'm a Beauty Rogue member at Sephora. Ken Burns. Okay, he's got some smile lines. I've got what, like 600 followers on here. It pleases me to know that there are 600 like-minded intellectuals living about this earth. Okay. Oh, so he's definitely wearing some makeup in this photo. Like, I'm certain of that. Because his eyes, he just got like so much whiteness. It's probably concealer. But what are you trying to hide, Ken Burns? What are you trying to hide? Embrace your beautiful self. We're not going to do too much on the forehead because he's got bangs going on, and we are going to do a hair tutorial as well. And I really hope it doesn't look like I am making fun of this man by drawing these horrible wrinkles all over my face. He's a very handsome man. Very handsome man. His nose is more distinct. Okay, let's put on some more concealer. He's got a lot, like, under the eye. What did you expect? When you asked for this Ken Burns makeup tutorial, what were you expecting? I really don't know. You didn't have a plan for this. Oh. I thought about making this look more like Chester-y, because I feel like, honestly, I'm really proud of how my Chester makeup came out in that last video. I think I did a pretty good job. I'm getting better at that. I feel like my true self. Just kidding, I don't. Lord only knows. Ooh. I'm gonna have to wash all these brushes, which I've been avoiding because the sink in my Airbnb is clogged and it just keeps getting worse. And I'm like, I know I'm supposed to be strong and independent, but sometimes it really is a man's touch. Ken Burns is a man. Ken Burns is gonna unclog the sink. You know what, you guys? There's gonna be a part 2. Ken Burns unclogs the bathroom sink. So, okay, we're gonna like try and contour in some more cheekbones. I just don't have the bone structure of a man. Some of you guys out there like to call me transgender, and that's one that I don't understand. I don't get it. I'm pretty sure you're trying to use it as an insult, but first of all, there's nothing wrong with being transgender. It's not an insult. Second, if you're trying to say like I look like a man, well, baby, you know what I like. And third, there's a lot of transgender people out there that you would never know they were once the opposite gender. You would have no idea. So what are you really trying to say? I am down with the clown till I'm dead in the ground. Whoop whoop, motherfuckers. Okay, that was a fail. Epic fail, LOL. Do people still say that? Probably not. And now our wrinkles are gone. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing with anything. With my life. With my makeup. People ask, what are you doing? Oh, I'm just humiliating myself on the internet. Welcome. Oh my god, I haven't seen you in so long. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Okay, honestly, you know what? I'm looking in the viewfinder and I'm looking back at the photo and I'm kind of down with it. Now his eyebrows are more of like a gray, but we're gonna just make them bushy AF. Maybe this looks like a half-ass makeup tutorial, but truthfully, I'm trying. I just don't know what the fuck I'm doing. And I'm gonna have to wash all these brushes, which I really don't want to do because my bathroom sink is clogged. And it needs a nice touch, but Ken Burns is a man. He's going to fix it for me. Okay, now it's lit. Jesus Christ. Okay. So that's looking good, I think. I think it's looking good. He doesn't really have any liver spots. But I feel like when you're kind of old, you just get them. So I'll just like put a few in there. You know how this brush was like a normal brush, but I dipped it in super glue, and now it's like this stippling brush. Okay, that's probably the term for it. I don't know. Looking good. Okay, that's good. We got a base. Now Ken Burns has baby blue eyes, and I do not, unfortunately. Sorry, Ken Burns. Sorry. Okay. He has really small eyebrows. I should clean them up. They are quite small. You know, I thought I would make them bushy, but no. They're quite clean. Okay, there we go. And for his mouth, it's just like light pink. Now, he does have a mustache, a goatee, so we're gonna do that. We are. Now, I don't know if I want to glue on hair because his hair is gray. Maybe an eyeshadow would be better for this. Come back here. I don't really have a gray or a black with me, so I think this is a good compromise. It's a blue. Maybe blue. It's a disaster. It's a disaster, and I'm starting to sweat. But you know what? Once we get the hair on, once we do the hair, it's really gonna come together. I promise you. I promise you, it's gonna look good. It is. Just bear with me. Just trust me. You can trust me. This is kind of looking like Starry Night. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? You know what? Fuck all of y'all. I'm doing a great job. I'm doing a great job. Fuck the haters, man. Fuck the haters. Recreating my VMA makeup look. Ken Burns. Okay, that's good. That's good. We got a good beard. We got a good beard. And we are done. Now the hair. I'm gonna show you all how to do this look. Ooh. Okay, so for this look, you're gonna need a headband. Now something like this will work perfectly. So just put that on, and then you're gonna go ahead and put your hair up. Maybe you should do that first. I don't know. I really don't know if the neighbors can hear me, and they're probably gonna. Oh, they're like, oh, she seems so sweet and nice and quiet when she moved in. If only we had known what a true basket case she was. Okay, so put your hair in a ponytail, and then you just take it. And a troll doll. I feel like a troll doll. Fun fact, I actually have a collection of like over 100 troll dolls. I have some rare troll dolls from the 1960s. Maybe I'll introduce you all of them someday. Let me know if you want to meet the trolls. And there you have it. Ken Burns makeup tutorial. You're welcome. Please tag me in the photo when you recreate this look. Tag him as well. Ken Burns. That was it. That's the makeup look, the makeup tutorial. Let me get a shot of Ken Burns next to me. Okay, you're welcome. I'm gonna go send some nudes now. Bye!